welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a French recipe for crepes. Crepes are wonderful. They're kind of like very thin pancakes, and they can be eaten either salty or sweet. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, a dash of salt, 4 eggs, 1/4 cup or 65 grams of melted butter, 1 tablespoon sugar, which is optional and should only be used if the crepes will only be eaten sweet, 2 cups or 450 milliliters of milk. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together flour and salt. Add eggs without shells and melted butter. Whisk them together as well as possible, adding a bit of milk to help thin the batter enough to mix it together properly. Whisk in the rest of the milk. Batter will be thin. Heat a skillet or wok with a bit of oil over medium-high heat. Pour the batter with a ladle. Wait until the edges are firm and use a rubber spatula to loosen the edges of the crepe. Use the rubber spatula to flip the crepe over. Allow to cook until golden brown. It should slide right off the pan. These crepes are soft and pliant. They are slightly eggy and taste great with ham and cheese or Nutella and chocolate sauce. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.